And it's actually ready now. Alright guys, so I got my hands to this amazing kitchen gadget that can actually turn your raw ingredients into a pizza in just 10 minutes. And the features I liked most is it opens flat to use as a griddle, and there are two 30 centimeters cooking surfaces, so you can use it even for breakfast, pizza, cookies and more. It's not just specifically one thing. You can use this as a whole. You can cook lots and lots of things. So let's open this and take this out of the box. We got the booklet and there are more recipes and some instructions about this product, and if you want to scan for recipes you can do that. Okay, so let's unwrap this thing, and I am noticing it has very beautiful shiny red color. And let's have a quick look at this product, and there are two non-slippable things, so when you open it flat, so they're gonna help you out. And there are two indicator lights for heat and power, and that's how it looks like from the bottom part. I know you guys are not interested in looking from there, but just in case. So that's how you open this, and there are two surfaces that you can use for cooking, and both are non-stick, so you can make your cookies, pancakes and your like tortillas and much more, like anything you think and that you can make on it. I'm not gonna make cookies or pancakes today because I'm gonna try to make a simple basic recipe pizza. So let's dive in. Okay, so I'm using this pizza crust for this, and you can use sauce, of course, like your favorite one. I'm using my tomato sauce, the original one, and after that like lots and lots of cheese because I love cheese, so I'm gonna add a lot of it. And if you want to add like other things like oregano, tomatoes or anything, you can add on top of it. I'm just making a basic pizza. Just turn the lid off and plugged in, and I'm gonna wait for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes I'm gonna open it up, and oh my god, look at this, how cheesy and how yummy it looks like, and super hot, super fresh. And that's how it looks like from the bottom part, and I am loving in this one. Let me know in the comments what else you want me to unbox next. Please stay tuned. Bye bye.